Hi, my name is Gea Vy Alveri, and today I will discuss about operation and operational effectiveness. Okay, for the definition, an organization is a group of people who work together in a structured and coordinated way to achieve specific goals. This structure includes the division of tasks, authority, responsibility, and communication on systems that ensure activities run effectively. According to experts, for the characteristic of an organization, the first is clear common goals, second is structure and division of labor, next is coordination and communication, and hierarchy and leadership, and then use of resources, it is human, financial, and technological. For the purpose and function of organization, the first is purposes of an organization to achieve goals that cannot be reached individually, and optimize resources for efficiency and effectiveness, and then to provide direction and coordination of activities, and to create a production and sustainability working environment. Okay, next is function of an organization. The first is coordination, aligning the activities of various departments, and then communication is facilitating the flow of information both vertically and horizontally, policies and strategies, and then motivation is encouraging individual performance to support organizational goals. Next is main components of an organization. The first is people, is the individuals who perform the organization tasks. Second is structure, is the formal arrangement of roles, responsibilities, and relationships. And then goals is the outcomes or target the organization aims to achieve. And then technology, the tools is system and methods used to accomplish tasks efficiently. And the fifthly is environment, is the external factor, it is economics, political, social, and technology that influence organizational performance. Next is organization design. Organization design is the process of creating or arranging an organization structure so that it can effectively and efficiently achieve its goals. It defines how tasks are divided, who reports to whom, and how resources are allocated. Okay, next is key elements of organizational design. Work specialization, how tasks are divided into specific jobs. Next is departmentalization, how jobs are grouped together by function, product, geography, or customer. And then chain of command, the line of authority from top management to the lowest level. And then span of control is the number of employees a manager can effectively supervise. Okay, and then centralization and decentralization is the degree to which decision making is concentrated at the single point. And then formalization is the extent to which rules and procedures govern employee behavior. Okay, next is organizational effectiveness. The first is definition. Organizational effectiveness refers to how well an organization achieves its goals using available resources. It measures the alignment between strategy, structure, people, and environment. Okay, next is indicator of organizational. The first is goal achievement. It is the organization reach or increase its objective. Second is efficiency, is optimal use of resource. It is time, money, and manpower. Next is adaptability, is the ability to respond to internal and external change. And then employee satisfaction and motivation, it is reflecting internal health and moral. And then innovation, it is the ability to create new products, service, or process. Next is models of organizational effectiveness. First is goal model. It is focuses on achieving state objective. System resource model, it is effectiveness is measured by the ability to acquire and maintain needed resources. And then internal process model, it is focuses on internal operation, communication, and employee well-being. And next is strategic constituency model. It is effectiveness depends of satisfying key stakeholders. It is employees, customer, investor. And then balance scorecard. It is combined financial and non-financial measure. It is financial performance, customer satisfaction, internal process, and learning or growth. Okay, next is factor influencing organizational. The first is leadership and management style. Second is organizational culture and values. And then communication and teamwork. The fourth is technological capability. And the fifthly is external environment. It is competition, economy, and politics. And the last is human resource quality and motivation. Okay, next is improving organizational. First is align structure with organization strategy, and then encourage innovation and adaptability, develop strong leadership and communication, invest in employee training and motivation, and then use performance measurement tools, and then foster a positive organizational culture. Okay, for the summary, an organizational is a structured system of people working together to achieve common goals. Its effectiveness depends on how well it integrates people, structure, and strategy to adapt to environmental change through proper organizational design, leadership, and a strong culture. An organization can sustain performance, innovate, and remain competitive in the long term. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.